Hey there everybody, my name is Emily Verbois, and this term I'm studying environmental issues on deforestation, biodiversity loss, and overpopulation. This week we were looking at the areas that we all live in as distance students and learning if we live in a species-rich or species-poor environment. I think it's been decided I live in a pretty species-rich environment with all kinds of wildlife coming in and out of my own yard, which is really cool. And something that I'm really looking forward to about this class is that it's one of these classes where you get to work on your final project week by week instead of feeling overwhelmed and having to do everything right there at the end. So I'm really excited about this class and excited to see what else we can learn. Hey there everybody, so this is the end of week 2 for me in this class. This week we learned all about ecological frameworks and how humans have both positive and negative impacts on the environment, and how new developments, whether necessary or not, can have major impacts on the environment. And I actually made my own framework for my class about how sea turtle populations have a very intricate and detailed framework. So we'll see how this goes. Hello again, it is week 3, and this week we've been learning all about if you have a goal and you want to do something, you want to be active and help save your environment, if you don't have a plan to go along with that goal, then nothing's really going to happen. So we've been putting together ways on how to create change in our own environment and where we live now, along with looking into case studies and breaking down the useful parts of case studies that we can use for our final project. So it's been really great to be able to dive right in and just see everything that really makes a case study a successful case study, especially in the issues that we're trying to work out. So here we are in week 4. We started off this week by talking about issues that come with overpopulation and pollutions and the effect that that really has on our environment. So I chose to talk with the class about the air pollution in Atlanta and how bad it is and how bad it's staying, and it's getting a little better but not great. Another assignment that we have that we're working on this week is, again, working towards our final, which is super great and helpful, and we're coming up with swag options to get the public active and aware of what our final project is going to be on. So mine is beach cleanup to help preserve and protect sea turtle nesting areas. So it'll be great. So it is the end of week 5. I've really enjoyed this class. This week we wrote our reflection essays and reviewed everything that we've learned in this class. We posted our last discussions, and we worked on and finished and submitted our final projects. And something that I love about distance education is that I was traveling for the last 3 or 4 days of this term, but that didn't inhibit my ability to attend class and get all my work done, because I was able to just do my work on the go. I wasn't missing class. I wasn't trying to juggle with all these professors on what I needed to do. I had it all with me all the time, and I was able to finish. I feel really great about my final project, and I'm really happy that I got to take this class this term.